Hi guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Esther, Decor by Essy Interiors here. Welcome to a new video. I don't know what time you're watching this video, whether it's a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but welcome and thank you so much for plugging in. If you're new here, please just pause the video here, subscribe and join our Decor by Essy family. Here we love all things to do with interiors, DIY, home improvements, room makeover, and today I have an exciting video. I can't wait for you guys to see. There'll be so many plugs that I'll be mentioning on this video, but these are plugs that I'll also be able to do another video to just show you where we got the items from, which shops we went to. There are some thrifted items, new items from different furniture stores. So welcome and come along with me. Let's begin the video. When you're coming on the door, we have the wall baskets on this side. These ones are thrifted. We went with 4 of them because I got the 4 of them and they're in different sizes. And then we have the light on at the center. It has a golden bracket and it's right on the top, which now divides the 2 areas of the wall. So then this side we decided to do a gallery wall, and I went to Art Plaza. I've been to Art Plaza before. They did my photos in my house, so I saw that their frames are very good quality and also the photos that they have. So what I did is my client, I asked him what he likes, and he said he loves nature and greenery. So we came up with photos that illuminate nature and greenery, and we used the black and white frames to just bring that contrast to the space. And I really love this wall so much. We went with A3 and A4 frames and a number 8, so just standardizing the number. And yeah, so this is what we have on this wall. And galleries, a gallery wall is a very good way to bring a touch of just displaying the things that you love. So you can either use your own photos, or you can also use nature photos or something that you love. If you're a car enthusiast, you can use cars. If you are a rally enthusiast, if you're a nature enthusiast, so yeah, that is what you can do. So this is what we did for my client, and it colored very well on this wall. And the good thing is that the L-shaped couch is the gallery wall is just on top of the L-shaped couch, so we have some warmth on this side and some contrast on this side. So moving on from the gallery wall, we came, my client had this very cute piece which we decided to bring it here to just complete this wall. And then now on this side of the kitchen, there is a bar space, so he has some bar stools here, and we brought this. So these are pampas grass, and this one is a thrifted. It's a thrifted bottle that it has a shimmer of gold, so we brought it there. And then he has a flower plant on this side which has a carpet. It's very cute. And then also we thrifted this. This is a candle holder he can use to burn candle on this space, so it complements the space, and I love the setting of this area. So another beautiful piece in the space is this art. So this one we got it from House of Leather, Westlands. So this piece, the moment I saw it, I loved it, and I showed my client. And it's a piece that has very nice colors, and just the colors that are within the house. So to start with, it has a golden frame, and then it has some it's like a forest, so just bringing that vibe of nature, and a road on it, and the art is textured, so it's very pretty, and it just blends within the space. As you can see, there is also greenery around it. Yeah, and it actually fitted very nicely on that side of the wall. On this side of the wall, we have a wide window that brings all the natural light to the living space. So we have curtains which are grey and white shears, and then we added the 3 boxes. These are floating shelves, 3 floating shelves. They are made of wood and they are painted white. So whatever decoration that we put in the space, it's majorly thrifted items, which I really love. And we can start with this one. So this is a thrifted pot, then a foxflower, and this pot is, it's concrete, it's a concrete pot, and then it's gray, so it came this way. We just added the flower, and then we have this thrifted frame, which I love, and it has the bamboo and just nature as well. Then we have this piece which is also thrifted, and this flower inside that we added. Then we have the bamboo one. It's a bamboo vase. It's a vase that is painted bamboo. We just added the sunflower there, and also these others are thrifted. I think the plant there inside, that one is from House of Leather. This is also a thrifted piece, which I really love, and it's also concrete. It's quite heavy. Then we have also this one. It's a crystal glass. I think these ones are usually the ones for chairs, yeah. Then we also have some other thrifted decor pieces on this side, and to culminate this space, we added a plant. So yeah, you'll see a lot of plants in the space, as my client loves plants and greenery in the space. As you can see, this is the detail that is on the mirror, and the mirror is a wooden frame. I love when I find things that have texture and something that you can actually use. So you can see it has a lot of texture, the beads as well, and this is pure wood. So yeah, it really blends well in the space, and I love how it looks in the space. So that's how the mirror looks, and I love that it reflects whatever is on this side, so you're able to see whether you're seated, whether you're passing by, you can be able to see what is in there, what is in the space. Yeah, so this is how the TV wall looks, and yeah, I really love this living room because it's extensive. As you can see, the white shelves on that end, the plant, the 2 DIY bottles, and then now this other plant here that is now culminating the space. So you can be able to see how the living room looks like from this side. So I'll just show you how extensive and beautiful it looks. space is very pretty. As you can see, we have the art piece, we have the shelving here and a mirror that it's just reflecting what is on this side. Then we come to this side, we have I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and now you're able to see the beautiful lighting on that side and that wall that I had shown you before earlier. Yeah, and that's the breakfast bar spot. It's so pretty. And then coming to this side of the corridor, we have now this art piece and a plant to culminate the space. So on the corridor we have is also that other plant. That's a monsteras plant, and that's a fox plant. I also got this one from Furniture Palace. So let me just show you how it looks. It's a very cute plant, and it also blends in well with the space because it's a fox plant. So this area, it's the corridor area that doesn't have a lot of light, but at least we can still add some greenery. Coming to the washroom, we also added another frame there and a plant in a vase, and then he uses tropical, and also we added these diffuser, so just to bring some nice scent on the area. And yeah, this is what we have for the washroom. In the office space, on this side of the wall, this wall we still need to do a wallpaper or something, just an accent wall, but before we do that, we added the shelving. So he has very nice books that he wanted to display, and some items like this one is thrifted. We also thrifted this pot and put some falling fox plant, and also this one we brought a frame here. So this space is we also have a few thrifted items. This is a thrifted bottle that we thrifted. It actually has candles, but they really look really nice. Yeah, and just to add some greenery, and yeah, so this is a complete shelf, and it's both decorative and functional. Then he has a very beautiful plant on this side. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys loved this video. It had so much content, different spaces, and actually this is a part 1 of this series, so watch out for part 2. I'll also be doing a video showing you Furniture Palace items, where we got them, went to House of Leather, thrift shop, so that video is also going to come up, so watch out for that. So we'll be doing I'll be showing you the different places, also the different furniture shops that I go to. I do a lot of window shopping for clients, because before even you decide on what pieces you want in your home, the interior look, we'll do the mood boards. Definitely we'll start with the mood board, listening to what you like, but also looking at what is also available in the different shops, to just think of, do you want to custom make something, or do you want us to buy something that is ready made? So these are conversations that we usually have in Decor by Essy Interiors. If you are looking for an interior designer, here I am. I'm Wamboi Wangare, and yeah, you can hit on my inbox. My email is down here, decorbysessy@gmail.com. You can also DM me on my socials, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and also on YouTube. So feel free to comment down below if you need some interior design ideas or inspos, then we can look to chat. Cheers guys, have a lovely week, and see you in the next one.